In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use highlight and checkbox filters in a Smartsheet project sheet to focus on exactly the rows you care about. First, open your browser and go to your project sheet in Smartsheet. If you're following along with a link, just click it and make sure the sheet opens in Grid View. The grid is the main spreadsheet-style view where you see your tasks, dates, assignees, and any checkboxes or status columns your team is using. Give it a second to fully load so all columns and filters are available. Once the sheet is open, look towards the top of the Smartsheet interface for the area that controls filters or highlighting. In most setups, this is represented by an icon or button that's clearly marked and often sits near the toolbar. Click on the highlighted control shown on your screen. This opens the options that let you narrow down what you see in the sheet. Next, you'll work with a checkbox column. Find the column that contains checkboxes, usually used for things like complete, approved, or ready. Click on the checkbox-related highlight that's indicated. This action is telling Smartsheet that you want to filter or focus the view based on whether that checkbox is checked or not. You'll see an additional highlight or option appear related to that checkbox. Click on the highlighted area again to refine your selection. What you're doing here is confirming which checkbox state you care about, typically checked to show only completed or approved items, or unchecked to focus on what's still outstanding. Continue by clicking the next highlighted option that appears in the Filter or Highlight panel. These highlights usually represent specific conditions, like is checked, is unchecked, or possibly other criteria linked to that checkbox column. Follow the highlighted prompts one by one. Each click is layering in another part of your filter, so Smartsheet knows exactly what to display. As you move through the next highlighted items, you're essentially fine-tuning your view. This might include confirming the correct column, confirming the condition, and then confirming that this is the filter you want to apply right now. Take a moment to double-check that the chosen checkbox column and condition match what you want to see. Finally, once all the highlighted options have been selected, click on Apply. This is the key step that activates everything you've just set up. After you click Apply, your sheet will refresh, and you'll see only the rows that match your checkbox criteria, making your project sheet much cleaner and easier to work with.